Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today we are going to be talking about a $10 million Bitcoin. That is what one of the large hedge funds managers of the world is talking about right now. Is this a price that we can possibly see? We'll talk a little bit about it. We'll talk about some bears as well. You've got one side, people talking about millions of dollars for Bitcoin, and then you got other people saying, I don't really like Bitcoin that much. Well, who's right? Let's talk a little bit about it. On top of that, you also have billionaire Michael Saylor doubling down, tripling down, buying more Bitcoin today. We'll talk about that. And this comes at a time where Bitcoin is stalling versus Ethereum and altcoins, and people are starting to wonder, are the alts about to rally? We'll take a peek at that here. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you and at 10,000 subscribers. We're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So don't miss out on that, guys. So yeah, the story goes, guys, that Bitcoin price will shatter $10 million per Bitcoin, says a hedge fund manager. Is this something that we can actually see? Well, let's look at one of the quotes here. So here's what you really got to think about, guys. The quote is, it's a question of how much Bitcoin can win. How much value can Bitcoin actually take here? It's currently a $400 billion asset. It's about $500 million right now. In a $900 trillion ocean. That means it's 1/2000th of the world's value. And that means collectively it has 0.05% allocation. The world has 0.05% allocation to Bitcoin. Well, what happens if we can get to, 1%, 2%, 5%, 10%? 10% of $900 trillion, guys, that's a significant amount of money, right? I mean, that's $90 trillion. That's absolutely significant. So these numbers, you start to look at that and you start to really believe, okay, well, maybe not a $10 million Bitcoin, maybe not a $10 million Bitcoin, but, easily $1 million Bitcoin at that point, right? $500,000 Bitcoin. We're just talking about the next bull cycle, really, too. How much of the 900 trillion can start flowing into a $400 billion asset class? And then the other thing you got to start asking yourself too is, looking at Bitcoin dipping right now. Well, it's not really dipping. It's going back up, but Ethereum's gaining faster than Bitcoin. Dogecoin soaring after Elon Musk changed the icon on Twitter. Altcoins seem to be moving stronger than Bitcoin temporarily. We'll have to see if that continues, but remember, guys, if the $900 trillion ocean starts flowing into Bitcoin and that starts flowing into altcoins, what will these trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars do for these altcoins, especially the altcoins that are 200 million, a $200 billion market cap, 100 billion, 10 billion, $1 billion market cap? When trillions flow in, these things are going to have 10, 20, 100 X's. Some of these will even have 1,000 X's. I mean, if Bitcoin goes to $10 million, I think that's a well over 100X gain for Bitcoin. It's really crazy to start thinking about. But on one side of the coin, when you do have people talking about, hey, this is going to reach a $10 million price prediction. By the way, this is hedge fund manager Jesse Myers. This is what he believes. You have other guys like Ray Dalio. Ray Dalio does not like Bitcoin. And you look at Bitcoin versus gold, and he picks Bitcoin. Dalio has sourced further on Bitcoin since the interview, saying that Bitcoin has no relation to anything and it receives a disproportionate amount of attention. And he believes that Bitcoin's status as a form of digital gold is still unproven, citing concerns that it's too volatile to be made as a store of value. And he acknowledges the potential of blockchain, but he doesn't think Bitcoin's the one to win out. So there's a couple sides to this story. Who do you think is right? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. One thing is for sure, Michael Saylor certainly thinks that the $10 million Bitcoin is probably more likely than the other side of the coin. He went down, he doubled down, he acquired an additional 1,045 Bitcoin today worth at $28,000 per coin. That's about $30 million worth of Bitcoin today. That is absolutely incredible to see this news. An excellent way to start the morning. Looking for Bitcoin, guys. Looking for Bitcoin to break out. And it seems to be doing that right now. We have now two daily candles that are turning green, looking for a breakout above $29,000. Can we get that move here as we are getting into the month of April? It certainly looks like the bulls are out and the bears have their doubts, but the bears are losing. The bears are losing right now. And looking at the overall market cap, this is looking good too. You know, I do believe that there could be a move upward, guys. We might see a breakout past the $1.18 trillion level up to the $1.34 trillion level for crypto, which would mean approximately a 15% gain coming, $170 billion. Where do you guys think that's going to flow? Is it going to flow to Bitcoin? Is it going to flow to alt? Is it going to be distributed equally? I'm curious what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Don't forget, guys, we are giving away a loaded line at 25,000 subscribers. Follow us at _crypto report for the details to this giveaway. And if you become a member on our YouTube channel, you get an additional 10 entries for every single month you're a member on our channel. And you get access to our private Discord where you can talk directly with me and Black Sea and get access to some of the trading signals, some of the NFT plays that we're looking at. We'll have a lot of fun there, guys. That's all I got today. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.